Hey guys, it's Zach and welcome back to the shop. Today we're actually upstairs in my garage where I want to set up a station over here on this wall where I have a bench that I can work from, as well as have some wall control on the wall so I can organize all the tools. I'm starting to accumulate a lot of tools just for the side-by-side stuff, and I don't want to mix that with my woodworking stuff, so I like to have a little dedicated area over here. So before we get started though, I got to pull the side-by-side out and start clearing out that area. All right, there we go, nice and clean, well, for the most part. And before I go any farther, I'm gonna bring in the simple workbench I built a few days ago using the plans for my simple workbench. I'll leave a video link down below if you wanna check it out. And I wanna bring that in so I can get the proper measurements to start the next stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Well, I ran out of these better, I guess, anchors, wall anchors, so I thought I would try these guys. And unfortunately, they're just not, look at this, they're just not even grabbing. So I'm gonna have to go to the store and get some more of those other ones. Well, there you have it, guys. What do you think? Looks pretty good, huh? Well, maybe a little bare because I have a box of hooks and such that I'll be starting to put on the wall and try to get this stuff over here, which is kind of like my makeshift little workbench over there. I like to try to get all this stuff all hung up next. The other thing you might notice is Wall Control was nice enough to send me a couple of prototypes. This one in particular is for a 7-inch grinder. And I decided to go a little all out with those because they are bare metal, and made these out of chrome. Went ahead and chrome plated, or not chrome plated, but powder coated them chrome. And I have another one over here for the drills that's all chromed out. Yeah, just something a little, spiced it up a little bit. So, but let me go ahead and start putting up some hooks, and yeah, we'll start there. All right, guys, well, I am super pumped to have this in the shop. It looks really good. Of course, it's probably not going to stay that way for very long. Now the bench is 24 inches deep. I did that on purpose so I can still back up the side by side, and I should still have enough room. I wonder if I should check that. But yeah, I should have enough room. And of course, these walls being modular, I'm going to be able to make changes as I need. There's more, tools and stuff I'm sure I'll pick up along the way. Again, this is majority supposed to be for like side by side and mechanic stuff. So like there's tools in here that are for like the side by side clutches and stuff that are very particular to that. I just don't need those hogging up space in my wood shop. But yeah, it looks great. Yeah, it looks great. If there's anything else you guys want to know about the wall control system or get plans for that workbench, I'll leave links down below for you. Thanks for watching, folks, and I will see you next time.